March Twain students and staff. This is Andrew Chambers
and Marco Lassa coming to you live from the Mark Twain Media Center. Today is January 30th, 2013.
Now here's Shay and Nina with the weather.
Thanks, Marco and Andrew. The high today is 59 and the low is 19. There was a 100% chance of thunderstorms.
The sun rose this morning at 7:47 a.m. and will set this evening at 5:43 p.m. Now let's hear with Megan and Riley with the sports.
Thanks, Shay and Nina. Pistons lose to Bucks 117-90. Pistons play the Pacers today.
Wings beat Stars 4-1. Now back to Andrew and Marco. Megan and Riley.
Now let's end today's broadcast with the pledge. Let's go to Mrs. Crapiolo.
I pledge allegiance to the flag